Hi, I'm Cody, your friendly AI coding tutor. And guess what? I've brought along a friend today.
Hey everyone, I'm Simon, and I'm super excited to be here today with Cody to show you something amazing.
That's right, Simon. We're here to introduce you to a brilliant new solution that will fire up your students' skills and make teaching the digital technologies curriculum a breeze.
And the best part? You don't need any specialist expertise or knowledge in coding. We've got you covered.
Exactly. It's called Codeflix.
Let's take a look at what you get with Codeflix. Over 100 pre-planned video lessons in 5 coding languages, an easy-to-use learning platform switching from video to code to learning resources in a single screen. Cody, our clever coding assistant, will check, provide hints, and help students when they get stuck. And powerful integrated reporting to manage cohorts, view their progress, and grade their achievements. With Codeflix, you can dive right into coding lessons with confidence, and the students will absolutely love it.
Couldn't have said it better, Simon.
Give our friendly customer service team a call or email partnerships@juniorengineers.com.au.